Hello class, my name is Kendrick Graves. This is discussion 3, MGSC 331 online, Dr. Smith. Okay, our problem says, suppose a hypothetical employee starts working in year 1 at a salary of $50,000 a year. Assume each year her salary increases by approximately 5%. Create a table that shows her salary for 20 years. Create a scatter plot of the salary versus year with the least squares regression line. Find the R2 for this data. What percent of variation in salary is explained by the year? Is there a strong linear relationship between year and salary? So first thing I did was I made a chart. I'm starting from year 1 to 20. And as you can see, starting from year 1 at 50,000, each year it rose 5%. All the way till we got to 126,347.51 cents. And to the right I have my scatter plot, and you can see the line of regression is at a positive rate. And the next thing you want to do is solve for your R, and this is the equation that we will use. And once we start solve for our R, we're going to find the X value and the Y value. And once we get this, we'll have the mean and the standard deviation we need to solve for our problem. And once we compute this into the formula, we will get our R, and our R value is 0.9923. And now that we have the R value, we can compute for our R2, and which will give us 0.985 to keep things short. Now we have our percent of variation, which is 98.5%. And from looking at this in the chart, we can conclude that we have a strong linear relationship between year and salary. That concludes my project. Thank you, class.